Good afternoon, everyone. This is Martin asking US for HMS1A. So for today is we're gonna discuss the given question that Sir gave to us. And first of that is differentiate the traditional organization to e-organization. So first, what is traditional organization? The traditional organization business is a physical presence. So meaning to say is you're doing your organization or you're serving to someone physically or face to face. You're doing your business in traditional way, which is you're interacting to someone or to someone. And in organizational business, you're using social media platforms and electronic devices to promote or to do your organization or your business. The second question is, what is the necessary to adopt organizational business? So, nowadays, the business survival is depending upon decreasing the marketing shares. So that we need to bring down the cost and also build a relationship of our customers. And but why is necessary to adopt an organizational business? Because organizational business is help you to faster buying process and also stores and product listening creations, um, cost reductions, and also affordable advertising and marketing. And also, it states about flexibility for the customer because you don't need to um, go to the physical store just to look at what is they selling. And also, to reach limitations, product and price compressions, and faster response to buy marketing demands. So, what is the advantage of having a organizational business? That like what I said, it's easy to do, and also it's easy to promote your product because nowadays there a lot of people is focusing on electronic devices or using a social media platforms. By helping that, by using a electronic platforms to promote your products, you're increasing and um you're you're lessening your time, and you can reach out to a lot of people. And the disadvantage of this is you can easily get the trust of people because you unlike on physical unlike on physical and traditional way of organization, you can talk it by face to face, or you can um interact your customers easily, but using social media platform or electronic platforms, you can easily get the trust of people, and also the connectivity of people na because one of the factors that we need to consider in organizational business is you having internet because you're just using a social media platform unlike on face-to-face interacting. The next question is discuss the factors that considering the organizational models. By deciding an organizational model, you need to consider the five factors. And what is it? The five factors are strategy, environment, technology, size and life cycle, and also the culture. First is strategy. If your strategy is good enough, if your strategy is planted already clearly, and second is environment. If your organizational environment is good, organizational model is good to environment that you're gonna build, mm, you need to consider that too because the organizational is not is not gonna work if the environment is not suitable on your doing or your on your organizations. The second is technology. You need to consider the technology because that the things one of the things that you need to have while doing or creating an organization, because without technology, why how you can create your organizational models and dice and life and cycles. Yun nga, like what I said is you need to consider the life surrounding and the cycle surroundings on the you're gonna build, the things that you're gonna build, or the organizational that you're creating, and also the culture that dapat patok, and also um um uh, dapat patok at wala tayong mga culture, at lahat is makaka-relate on regarding on your organizational business.